Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet A to F. Blue color. Orange color. Black color. Yellow color. Red color. Green color. First, blue color. Blue color A. Blue color A. A for ant. A for apple. A for aeroplane. Orange color. Orange color B. B for ball. B for bat. Orange color B. B for ball. B for bat. Black color. Black color C. C for cat. Black color C. C for cat. Yellow color. Yellow color D. D for dog. Yellow color D. D for dolphin. Yellow color D. D for dog. D for dolphin. Red color. Red color E. E for elephant. Red color E. E for email. E for elephant. Green color F. F for fish. F for fish. Green color F. F for fish. Green color F. F for fish.